What up, Keto fam? DJ Keto here, where I vlog myself cooking keto-friendly dishes, and today I'm going to try and pickle some red onions. I think they'll add a great flavor and garnish to any dish. So if that sounds good to you, give this video a thumbs up. And I want to give a shout out to Janice Fit on Instagram for sending me the recipe, and I'll also leave a copy of that recipe down in the description. But first, Bulletproof Coffee. Bulletproof. Perfect way to start the day. Now let's get into the ingredients. First, we're gonna need some onions, some white vinegar, some apple cider vinegar. Now the recipe says if you want a brighter color but less sweet pickled red onions, use all white vinegar. And if you want a milder onion flavor, use all apple cider vinegar. You can also experiment with red or white wine vinegar if you'd like. We're gonna need some salt, a little bit of sugar to cut the flavor of the vinegar, and mustard seed. Now that's just for looks and presentation. We'll also need some hot water. So I got some on the stove right now in the back, heating up. And we'll also need a mason jar to pack it all in. So first let's slice the onions thinly and pack it into this mason jar. One onion pretty much filled this whole jar up. I think that's all we need. Now let's make the mixture. So right now I have 2 cups of water boiling. I'm gonna add the vinegars, half a cup of each. So we'll bring this back to a boil, then we'll mix in the salt, the sugar, and the mustard seed until the salt and the sugar are fully dissolved. Now that we got it close to a boil, we're gonna add 3 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sweetener of your choice. I'm using erythritol. And 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. So once all the salt and the sugar is dissolved, I will pour this into the mason jar with all the sliced onion. So it looks to be all dissolved. Let's pour it in. Oh yes. Make sure we cover all of it. Scoop out the mustard seeds here. This is gonna make it look pretty. Close it up nice and tight. Ooh, that's hot. Give it a good shake. And then we'll stick this in the fridge overnight. I will see you guys back here tomorrow. I'm thinking about making a quick quesadilla to serve this with. Okay, Keto fam. This has been pickling for about 54 hours now. Let's give it a try. Smells good. Okay, good one. Sour, sweet. Reminds me of sauerkraut, but better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. I did make a quick quesadilla to share it with. I'm already thinking hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza. I'm using that Mission's low balance tortillas. Only like 4 net carbs per tortilla, I believe. Oh, that sourness goes really good with all that cheese. Definitely give it a try. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more food like this. And also hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Now I'm gonna finish this quesadilla.